Good morning, students. Chapter 2, The Earth and the Changes on It. So today we are going to start map from this chapter, that is on page number 15. In this map, you have to locate and label the major soil types areas. You have to mention the names of the states and union territories of each soil. Okay, why I am saying union territories? Because some soils is showing union territories. Okay, so take a look of this map first. You can see the distribution of soil through the colors. So when you will do this map, you can choose the colors. Okay, here you can choose green also if you want to choose, because this area is showing forest and mountains soil. The next one is, in this map now you can see each state for each soil types. So before start this map, you have to make this legend. ये आपने बनाना है. So first here you will choose that colors according to the soil. If you are choosing black color, laterite, arid, red and yellow, alluvial, and forest and mountains. So forest and mountains, you have to choose the states. If you want to write here union territories, then you have to mention the name of Ladakh as well, and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. The next one is alluvial soil. So for alluvial soil, there are so many states: Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Here is Delhi also. So that is up to you. You want to mention all these states' names or only one state name. The next one is red and yellow soil. So red and yellow soil is spread in most of the states. Okay. So choose any one state or two states which are showing in a large amount of this soil. So you can see here Jharkhand is completely with the red and yellow soil. Mizoram is also with completely red and yellow soil. Okay, there are so many other states as well: Telangana, Odisha and Chhattisgarh, Manipur, Nagaland. So choose even one or two states, or if you want to choose all these states, so you can mention the names. The next one is black soil. So black soil is mainly in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Color it and mention the name of the states. And laterite soil, for this soil, that's why I'm saying you can write the name of the union territories, because choose this Goa. Easily you can locate this area for this soil, laterite soil. And the last one is arid soil. So this soil you have to locate Rajasthan. That soil is available only in this states. Okay. Here also you can color it and mention the name of the states. So in this map you have to use colors, make a legend, and through this way you will understand properly this map and you will do it. So did you understand this India soil maps? Okay. Take a look of this map. So that's all for today. Thank you.